In the year 58 before Christ, Julius Caesar wrote down a number, 263,000. That was how many people he had just sent home. They were called the Helvetii, and this was their home. The Helvetii were a Celtic people, not Germanic as most of their neighbors were, but Celtic. They spoke a language related to ancient Gaulish. They worshipped the same gods as the tribes of Gaul and Britain, and they lived here on the plateau between the Alps, the Jura, and the Rhine. Mountains on three sides, a wide river to the north. By the standards of the ancient world, an almost perfectly defended homeland. They were wealthy, the plateau was fertile, and the passes through the Alps gave them control of the trade routes between the Mediterranean and the north. The archaeological site of La Tène, on the shores of Lake Neuchâtel in Switzerland, is so significant that the entire late Iron Age of Europe takes its name from this place. The Helvetii knew exactly where they lived, at the crossroads of the ancient world. In 61 before Christ, the Helvetii made a decision that would change everything. Pressure was building from the east. Germanic tribes, larger, more numerous, more aggressive, were pushing west across the Rhine. A Helvetian noble named Augeterix proposed a solution. Do not wait to be pushed out. Leave by choice. Move west. Find greater territory in Gaul. Become a greater people in a greater land. Augeterix died before the migration began, possibly executed when his ambitions were exposed. But the plan survived him. The Helvetii prepared for 2 years. They stockpiled grain. They repaired their weapons. They counted their people. And then they burned everything. 12 towns, 400 villages, every farm, every storehouse, every home. This was not desperation. This was strategy. By destroying everything they owned, they made retreat impossible. 263,000 people moved west. 92,000 of them capable of bearing arms, led by Divico, a veteran who had defeated Rome itself 40 years earlier. It was the largest movement of people the Roman world had ever witnessed. Julius Caesar was 41 years old in his first year as governor of the Roman province of Gaul, and deeply in debt. He needed a war. The Helvetii migration gave him exactly what he needed. When the Helvetii attempted to cross Roman territory at Geneva, Caesar blocked them. While pretending to negotiate, his engineers built a wall and ditch along the Rhone, 16 Roman miles long, 23 kilometers, in under 3 weeks. Forced north through the territory of Gaul's other tribes, the Helvetii marched on. Caesar followed. The decisive battle came near Bibracte, a hilltop fortress in the heart of Gaul. June 58 before Christ. The Helvetii fought hard. For most of a day, the outcome was genuinely uncertain. Their disciplined fighting withdrawal came close to turning the battle. Then the Roman lines held. Then they advanced. The Helvetii broke. Caesar's decision to send the survivors home was not mercy. It was strategy. An empty Swiss plateau would simply be filled by the Germanic tribes pressing from the east. The Helvetii were a known quantity. Germanic tribes were not, And so the people who had burned their own homes, who had walked for months through the mountains, who had fought and bled and lost, were told to go home and rebuild. Their neighboring Gaulish tribes were ordered to provide grain so the Helvetii could survive their first winter back. They returned to ash, to the outlines of walls, the foundations of homes, the plateau that remembered them. And they began again. Helvetia became a Roman province, Latin mixed with the old Celtic tongue. New roads crossed the Alps. New cities rose, Aventicum, Vindonissa, Augusta Raurica, Geneva. The Helvetii did not disappear. They transformed. Look at a Swiss franc. On one side, the cross. On the other, two words, Confoederatio Helvetica, the Swiss Confederation, named for a people Caesar defeated 2,000 years ago. The official Latin name of Switzerland is still Helvetia. The Internet Country Code, CH, stands for Confoederatio Helvetica, the name of a tribe, on every coin, every passport, every domain. History remembers Rome, but the people Caesar sent home, they are still here. Their name is on the money, in the language, on every Swiss passport. Not every tribe conquered Rome. Some of them outlasted it. If this series is for you, subscribe. New episode coming soon. Next, the Alemanni, the tribe who gave Germany its name to half the world.